Today we'll be going through IGCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Core 058012 May June 2015. Question number 1. A doctor starts work at 20:40 and finishes work at 6:10 next day. So it means started from 20:40 and then continued up to 24 hours, and from 24 hours continued till 6:10. So this is what we have to keep in mind. So first time calculation will be up to 24, then 24 onward up to 6:10. So we will use calculator for time calculation. So we will start from here. 24 minus this will be this duration. So we can put brackets 24 hours minus 20 hours and 40 minutes, this much time. So plus 6 hours and 10 minutes, and this will be equal to 9 hours and 30 minutes. 9 hours and 30 minutes will be our answer to this question. Then write this in standard form. Standard form, you know, we are putting decimal after first non-zero number. So first non-zero number is 5. So after 5 we'll be putting decimal, and 3 and 4, and how many digits on the right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So multiply by 10 raised to the power 7. Write on the gradient of the line this one. So gradient is this. What we know, y is equal to mx plus c, and m is the gradient. So minus 3 will be the gradient in this question. Then question number 4, 5 into x raised power 0. So 5 into x raised power 0 will be equal to 1. So this will be equal to 5, and answer will be 5 over here. Then question number 5, the scatter diagram is provided, which is this side. Like for example, if you put pencil, right side is down, left side is up. So this will be negative correlation. Negative correlation. So we can write negative, or we can write negative like this one. Now question number 6, write 64% as decimal. So 64% will be like this. So 2 zeros for this, and decimal will be here. So it will be 0.64. 0.64 will be our answer. A fraction in its simplest form. So 64 over 100. We can reduce the fraction. So 64 divided by 100 will be equal to 16 over 25. So we can write here 16 over 25. Then expand the brackets and simplify. We can multiply this. So it will be 5x. 5x minus 15 and minus 3x and plus 15. Minus 3 into minus 5 will be plus. So this and this will be simplified to 2x, and this will be cancelled. So our answer will be, final answer will be 2x. Write the following in order of size, starting with the smallest one. So starting with the smallest one, we have to check. We can convert everything to like for example decimal. So 3 raised to the power minus 2 will be equal to 1 over 9, or 0. This will be 0.111 recurring. We can write like this. This will be 0.11, and 2 divided by 17 will be equal to 0.1176, and this will be root of 0.011, and this is equal to 0.10488. Now we can compare the smallest one we have to write. So this is 0.10. So this is the smallest one. So we can write this first. So it will be root of 0.011. This will be the first one. Then next number will be this is 0.11 recurring, 0.11, and this is basically the second one. We are comparing these digits. So this is 0.11, this is 0.16. So this will be 3 raised to minus 2 will be the next one, and last one will be the biggest number will be 2 over 17. We have written over here. And then question number 9, a biased 4-sided dice is rolled. The possible scores for 1, 2, 3, 4 are 4. The probability of rolling 1, 3 or 4 is shown in the table. So 1, 3 and 4 is shown. So complete the table. We know that the probabilities are adding up to 1. So we can write 1 minus 0.15 plus 0.3 and plus 0.35, and this will be equal to, we can write here 0.15 plus 0.3 or 0.3 and plus 0.35, and this will be resulting to 0.2. So our answer will be 0.2. This will be our answer to this question number 9. Then comes question number 10, factorize completely. We'll have to take maximum common, and maximum common we can take x and y. So inside will be 3x minus 5x, and basically x we have taken common, so it will be y also we have taken common, so only z. So 5z, this will be our final answer, which we can copy over here, xy into 3x minus 5y. Question number 11, the diagram shows two straight lines AE and BD. So these are two straight lines intersecting at C. Angle ABC is equal to angle EDC. So ABC is equal to EDC. This angle is equal to this angle. Triangles ABC and EDC are congruent. So these two triangles are congruent. Write down two properties of line segment AB and DE. So AB and DE, we have to write the two properties for this one. AB is this line, AB, and D is this line. So first property is that these two lines will be parallel to each other, because these two angles are same. These are also same, opposite angles. These are same, so third angle will also be same. So we can write that these two lines are parallel to each other, and plus they are same in length. So parallel and same in length. So this will be our final answer. Then without using a calculator, work out this fraction. So we can write 4 over 5 into this fraction. We can change, this will be 3 into 2 will be 6, 6 plus 2 will be 8. So this will be, we can write here 6 plus 2, 8 by 3, and this one we can change to 3 by 8 because we have changed division sign into multiplication. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. This will be equal to 3 by 10. So we can write answer as 3 over 10, which is over here. And question number 13, they have provided two shapes. One is square, so this side and this side are equal, and diagrams are not to scale. This is the triangle and this side is x minus 1. Find the value of x. So ABCD is a square. So x minus 4 is in square, this will be equal to this. So x minus 4 is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7 plus 4, which is equal to 11. So value of x will be 11. B part, square ABCD and isosceles triangle, this one are same perimeter. Work out the length of FG. So FG we have to calculate. square ABCD, this one, and isosceles triangle, this one, have the same perimeter. So perimeter we can find, this will be x minus 4. Basically what we can do, this is this is 7, so this will be 7 plus, so basically this side is 7, this side is 7, 7 and 7, so this will be 28. So this will be 28 will be for this one, perimeter for square will be 28. So what we can do, this will be 28 is equal to, this side is x minus 1, this side will also be x minus 1 because these two sides are same. This will be equal to x minus 1 plus x minus 1, which is this side and this side, and plus fg, and this is fg length which we have to find. So we can find this fg length also in this case. So this 11 we can replace this x value, and this will be 11 minus 1 will be 10 plus 10 plus fg. So fg will be equal to 28 minus 20, and which is equal to 8. So our answer will be 8 centimeters. So this fg will be 8 centimeters. Hopefully you understood this. Question number 14. Bernard invests this much amount at the rate of this one compound interest for a duration of 3 years. So amount will be, amount we have to calculate, amount is equal to P into 1 plus R over 100 raised to the power T, and this will be equal to, principal amount is 480 into 1 plus rate is 4.5 over 100 and raised to the power 3. We can calculate this. So this will be 480 into 1 plus 4.5 over 100 in raised to the power 3, and this is equal to 547.75, and we can write approximately equal to 548. So we can write $548 as final answer. Question number 15. A random sample of 200 families was taken from the families in a city. The number of children in each family was recorded. The results are shown in the table below. These are the results. Find the relative frequency of families with children 2. So total is 200, and this is 73. So 73 out of 200, this will be relative frequency of 2 children families. So there are 5,400 families in the city. Find an estimate of the number of families with 2 children. So we can write 73 over 200 with the same ratio 5400, and this will be equal to 73 over 200 multiplied by 5400, and this will be resulting to 1971. 1971 will be our final answer. Question number 16. This is basically the grid is provided and A is given, B is given. The diagram shows points A and B. Write down the column vector of AB. So we can join AB to check for the column vector, and this is basically AB. And if we move to the x-axis, we complete the diagram, this triangle if we complete. So x coordinate will be 1, 2, 3 units, and this will be 3 over here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units y coordinate. So we can write here 7. AC is equal to minus 5. I'll move page above. Over here, AC is equal to minus 5 and 2 on the grid. Mark the point C. So mark the point C. C will be minus 4 and 0. This will be the basically on this will be our C on the grid marks. So AC is minus 5 and 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 units here, minus 5 and 2 units above 1, 2. So we'll reach over here C. And write on the coordinates of C. Coordinates of C are what? Minus 4 and 0. So coordinates will be minus 4 and 0 over here. So this is also done. Now question number 17, diagram is provided and these are two parallel lines AB and CD. In the diagram, ABF is parallel to EDC. Angle EDA is 37 and angle AD and B is right angle. This is 90 degree and BC is equal to BD. So these two are equal. Find the value of X. So X is this one. So we can write this is 90 degree and this will be how much? This is 37, this is 90. So 180 minus 90 plus 37, and this will be equal to 53. So this angle is 53. Now this side is equal to this side. This is 53, so this angle will also be 53 degrees. And next Z, we can find these two angles are adding up to 53 plus 53 will be 106. So 180 minus 106 will be equal to 74. This angle is 74. Now if this angle is 74, then what we can do, this is parallel to this. This is 53, so this will also be 53. So alternating angles, this is 53. Now this is 53, this is 90, and we can find this angle 180 minus 90 plus 53, and this will be equal to 37. So this angle will be 37 degrees. So X value will be 37 degrees, Y value will be 53 degrees, and Z value will be 74 degrees. This is what we have calculated all. Now question number 18, write down the next two terms in the following sequence. So if we check 73 minus 63 is 7. So 7 minus 7, this one, and this 59. So 66 minus 59 is also difference of 7. So minus 7 and minus 7. So next will also be minus 7. So 52 minus 7 will be equal to 45. So this will be 45, and further minus 7 will be 38. So 45 and 38 will be our final answer. For A part, write down for B part, write down an expression for the nth term of the sequence part A. So we can write, like for example, difference is minus 7. So minus 7n, and this is the difference. So minus 7 into n. If we replace n by 1, we will get minus 7, but we should get 73. So how much we will have to add? That will be 80. We have to add more, so we will plus 80. So this will be our nth term. We can check it for any of these terms. We can replace, like for example, 1, 2, 3. We can replace here 3 and we'll get 59. Similarly, we can check for other values. So our answer will be minus 7n plus 80, or we can write 80 minus 7n. It will be same thing. So I will write 80 minus 7n as our final answer. Question number 19, diagram is provided which is not to scale. The diagram shows the front face of a barren. The width of the barren is 12, width is 12 meters, the height is 8 meters, and the sides of the barren are both of the height 5 meter. Work out the area of the front of the front face of the barren. So area we have to calculate. So we can apply, basically we can consider this half first. So this will be like a trapezium if we take this only this half, this shaded portion. So trapezium rule we can apply. This will be 1 by 2 into parallel sides. These two will be the parallel sides. So 8 plus 5 into height will be half of 12. This one will be 6. Basically we are applying formula. Area is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus B into H. And this is perpendicular height, and these two sides are parallel sides. So this will be equal to area, and this will be area of this shaded part only, right? And then we have to multiply this shaded area by 2 to get area of this complete shape. So this 2 will be cancelled with this. This will be 8 plus 5 will be 13. So 13 multiplied by 6 will be 78. So it will be 78 meter square, because this is area. So 78 meter square, this is the area required, area of the required shape. The length of the barren is 15 meter. Work out the volume. Now whatever face area, this face area we have already calculated in part A, and this face area is basically 78. So 78 multiplied by this length, which is 15 meters, this will be equal to 78 multiplied by 15 is equal to 1170. So 1170 will be our volume, which is in meter cube. Hopefully you got this. Now question number 20A. This diagram is provided. ABCD is a pentagon. Explain why the diagram shows that sum of interior angles of the pentagon is 540. Because these are 1, 2, 3 triangles. So 180 into 3, because each triangle, the sum of interior angles of each triangle will be 180. So 180 multiplied by 3. So 180 multiplied by 3 will be equal to 540. So we can write here 540 degrees. So this answer we can write sum of interior angles of 3 triangles. So this one also we have shown. Now two interior angles of the pentagon are 79 and 53. So 79 and 53. The other 3 angles are in the ratio of 1, 3 and 4. Calculate the size of the 3 angles. So we will check this one. Out of 5, 2 angles are provided. So we'll check the remaining one. So 540 degrees minus this remaining angle will be 79 plus 53 degrees, like this one. So this will be equal to 540 minus 79 plus 53, and this will be equal to 408. Now this 408 degrees we have to divide in 1 ratio 3 ratio 4. So sum of ratios will be equal to 1 plus 3 plus 4, which is equal to 8. Now we'll divide this into 8 portions. 408 divided by 8 will be equal to 51, I think so. 408 divided by 8 will be equal to 51. Yes. So 51. Now these ratios we will multiply. 1 with 51, ratio 3 with 51, ratio 4 with 51. So this will be 51 and this will be 3 into 51. So 51 multiplied by 3 will be equal to 153 and this one will be 4 into 51 will be equal to 204. 204. So these ratios we can put here: 51, 153 and 204. This is our final answer to this question. Question number 21. The average monthly temperature degree Celsius in Silvas, Turkey are shown in the table below. Month and temperature, everything is given. Which month is the coldest? The biggest negative number is -4, so it will be Jan. So we can write here Jan. So work out the difference between the temperature in November and the temperature in December. So from -1 to 0 is 1 and then 8, so it will be 9. So we can write here 9 degrees Celsius. Find the median temperature. Median temperatures, we have to add them all and divide by the entries like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we'll divide by 12 because this is complete here. So -4 plus, we can even show working because this is 2 marks. So we can write here -4 and -3 plus 2 and plus 8 plus 13 plus 17 plus 19 plus 20 plus 16 plus 11 plus 8 minus 1, and this will be divided by 12 and this will be equal to the mean, which median, basically they are requiring for median, not for mean. Mean temperature is for D part, which is over here. So what I will do, I will copy this one for mean value -3 plus 2 plus 8 plus, we'll solve D part first, then we will go to C part, plus 20 plus 16 plus 11 plus 8 minus 1, and this will be divided by basically 12. So if we add them all, this is -4 -3 plus 2 plus 8 plus 13 plus 17 plus 19 plus 20 plus 16 plus 11 plus 8 and minus 1, and this will be resulting to 106 divided by 12. So 106 divided by 12 will be equal to 8.83. So approximately we can write 8.8. So our answer will be 8.8. Now we can solve this C part, which is asking for median. Median is basically middle value. So for median, always we have to arrange the numbers first in ascending order or descending order. So we'll have to arrange them, then we have to take the middle value. So we can arrange the smallest one will be -4, then we have -3 also, then we have -1, then we can take the smallest one will be 2, then 3 is not there, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 times 8, then 9, 10, 11 is there, 11, 12, 13 is there, 14, 15, 16 is there, 17 is there, 18, 19 and 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have done all. So these are even numbers. So we'll take middle one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. We will take these two, will the middle one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8 and 11, these will be the two middle numbers. So 8 plus 11 divided by 2, this will be equal to, this will be the median basically. median, so which is 19 over 2, which is equal to 8.5, I think so. So 19 divided by 2 will be equal to 9.5 basically. 9.5, so 9.5 will be answer, and we are already done with D part. And we are done with paper. Basically, this was the last question. Hopefully you understood each and everything, and don't forget to subscribe Maths TV. Also introduce this channel to your friends and class fellows, and also introduce this channel to your respected teachers. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.